Welcome to Kim-Yin Yoga and day 4 of the Remedies for Fatigue series. Come join me on the mat. Today we start flat on our backs on the mat and up into sleeping possum. Stretching everything up towards the sky, then letting it go. The wrists relax, the fingers relax, the feet relax. You take a deep breath here. Let it out, and you might want to start some gentle circles with your hands and with your feet, the ankles moving in unison, flinging energy off the tips of your fingers, off the tops of your toes, waking up the meridians of the arms, waking up those energy channels in the legs. Deep breaths as you activate the body and let the blood drain in the opposite direction. Be sure to let everything go. No guarding, no holding tension. And on your next exhale out, bring the knees down to the chest. Beautiful stretch. And you might clasp the knees and do some gentle circles one way, and then circles the other way, waking up the spine, waking up the hips, feeling the energy begin to move. You might want to clasp your toes with your toes, activating those endpoint meridians, widen the knees, and go for bigger circles. Feeling this across the back of the pelvis, activating the hips. Circle the other way. Roll your shoulders too. Get the whole body into this movement. Another squeeze down into the chest. Deep breath in and exhale it out. Now we're going to go into bound hedgehog, where the elbow creases press into the outsides of the knees. The knees are trying to escape, but the elbows don't let them. An isometric activation of the entire pelvis, thighs, legs, feet. If you can, grab your toes and curl right up into a hedgehog, or stay in the bound hedgehog. It's up to you. And then exhale down. We're going to put the legs into a half fire log. Left foot on the mat, right foot up, and drop it all down, thread the needle, and reclined pigeon. Bring the left knee down as close as you can to the chest. Doesn't matter where it is. It can be right up out there in the sky. The feeling is to go to your edge, where your edge is for you. You can roll up, nose towards the knee. Doesn't matter how close you get. What matters is the activation. Let it down slowly, and we're going to swap sides. Bringing up that half fire log, clasping the right knee, and bringing it down towards the chest. You'll notice that one side is more flexible, one hip is more open. And we just work on it to wherever your edge is. Take deep breaths there, maybe rolling up to meet the knee, maybe keeping the head flat on the mat. Exhale it down and give that spine a stretch, arching the back, and then arms down, come right up into a mini bridge, allowing the body to move the other direction. Keep energy in your feet, in your thighs, shoulders pressing deep into the mat, back of the head deep into the mat. And exhale it down. We're going to come on up, relax the body back. Going to put the bum on the hands to activate those tops of the fingertips into a Vishnu's couch variation. From here, we're going to roll the right leg to the left And another modified fire log, the left leg up on top, to accentuate this stretch, this opening of the entire right side body, the hips, the thighs. Deep breath here, and then swap the other way. The left leg flops down, and the right leg becomes the stretch support. Breathing in, allowing the opening on the left side. Feel those energy channels release. You feel the chi running through the body, and as it does, it's vanquishing fatigue. From here, we're going to cross the legs in Sukhasana. Use your arms to push you up, and fingertips are still on the mat, stretching forward. We're going to scoot back a bit, make room for stick pose, Dandasana, and feel free to lean back a little, find that right angle that feels good to you, and slowly, we're going to move it forward. This might be plenty, just the intention of dropping flat back down to the tops of the legs. We're finding caterpillar, or a seated forward fold, and you go nice and slow, releasing the head to the mat when you reach your edge. It doesn't matter where you are in this pose. You might be sitting at a perfect right angle and feeling the edge. So go to where it's right for you and breathe. On your next exhale out, we're going to come on up and flip it around to flat back. Our final posture for today's practice. Stretch on up, release the spine, and right into Wiggle-asana. You know this one now. The epicenter is the hips. We're rocking side to side. The body is gyrating. The feet are fishtailing. And you are utterly, completely relaxed. Exhale it out. Make sure you flip your palms over so they're up towards the sky, receiving, and just feel that chi energy flowing through you. Up the legs, up the spine to the skull, down to the fingertips, and back. Stay here as long as you like. Or on your next exhale out, bring your feet flat to the mat, rolling it over gently, gingerly, feeling the energy as you find a Sukhasana, lifting the arms in receiving. Allow the energy to pour into your body. Hands Anjali Mudra. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste.